Best Bitcoin mining apps. We are glad to see you on our YouTube channel. Here we have a bunch of series of best online earning sources reliable all the time. You can be able to find the best online earning source according to your taste by watching our list, and this will surely reduce your efforts of searching for the best place to cache your content. Bitcoin is cryptocurrency is now holding the digital market trend towards by influencing its value in the international digital market. This platform provides you with an amazing collection of digital earning resources. Adorer of wealth and admirer of adventures always look forward to the best collection of easy and reliable online resources. On our YouTube channel, you'll be able to select the best one according to your taste. Here we have a list of the top 10 best Bitcoin mining apps. On number 10, we have Minergate. Minergate is such a legit app that it allows you to mine cryptocurrency in a legal way. It has provided its best services even in a difficult time when Google blocks some sites because of their deficiencies in the legal policies. Minergate provided its update on 21 August so that all its members remain secure from any type of blockage and distortion. On the Play Store, it has more than 1 million plus downloads, and later on, the Play Store deleted it from there, but they are doing to cope with this situation. This app enables you to mine Bitcoin by doing investments and to take risks about your investment. You can invite your friends too, and you can do mining together. This app has all the tools that are required in the mining of cryptocurrency. On number 9, we have Genesis Mining. This app provides its services to its users to convert altcoin into Bitcoin. Here, people are offered a small, moderate, and huge contract of cloud mining by others. In this way, this app is working just to signing up the contract you can be able to mine cryptocurrency here. This app enables you to make money by just mining the cryptocurrency. The reward of every day has to be sent to users directly into their accounts. Here you will find the multi-pool mining technique that has a wide range in the mining of Bitcoin. There are thousands of people that are users of this app, and they are mining the Bitcoin individually or with teamwork. On number 8, we have Miner. This is such a trustful application in the mining field. This is totally free for all the users. It has almost 50 algorithms that play a significant role in the sorting of altcoin and to convert it into Bitcoin. The technique that is often used in this app in crypto night mining. By using this method, you will be able to mine the Bitcoin. It is one of the most reliable apps because it doesn't need any kind of wallet address. It just simply works on the basis of mining pools. You are not supposed to take any permission. Almost every feature is available to you, and you can easily access them by simply signing up the contract. On number 7, we have Pocketminer. Mining of cryptocurrency is an exceptional rise in wealth if you are known to the terms and conditions. In this app, you are able to choose the desired method of cryptocurrency mining. According to the policies of Google, this app was restricted not in 2017. They updated their whole algorithm and everything got smooth and easy for them. It has various aspects of mining, but the positive reviews of people show that this is such a suitable platform for those who are associated with the field of cryptocurrency. You are able to mine here if you have basic knowledge about the mining and cryptocurrency uses. On number 6, we have CGminer. Such a useful app enables us to start mining cryptocurrency on the PC and smartphones. As we know, mining has a deep effect on the temperature of the computer because these apps have high setups. So in this app, you will get fan cooling control and some other interesting features. In this app, you get a lot of internal features that are helpful to you in case of any disguise and trouble. You can mine cryptocurrency with the contract and you will receive the amount on the regular basis. This will surely be such a plus point for that person who is associated with it. On number 5, we have Easyminer. In this app, you will get the most user-friendly interface that is such a cause of charm for its users. This is such an amazing platform for you if you are looking for some perfect places for mining Bitcoin. It has both types of mining, i.e. solo and pooled mining. You can be able to get facilities in various ways if you are on this platform for mining. This is highly optimized for the x86 machines to support Gitwork mining protocol. This is able to follow the rules of AVX and AVX2, where they are present to apply. You can easily operate it if you have some basic knowledge of the mining cryptocurrency. On number 4, we have BTCminer. If you are looking for a cloud mining app, then you are on the right platform. This app has FPGA mining hardware that has specific features to increase the results of mining. You can be able to withdraw your Bitcoin in your wallet, even the lowest of 0.005 Bitcoin. This enables you to catch high rates so that you will be able to make a huge profit with the minimum risk. On number 3, we have BFGminer. This software comes with the existence of FPGA, ASIC hardware of mining. So, with the presence of these mining helpers, you can be able to get desired results in the low efforts and risks. With a lot of features, you'll be able to mine various cryptocurrencies at the same time. This is such an amazing source of mining that intrigues the people towards the importance of this trend, cryptocurrency. You can be able to get the desired result if you have the right for the task. On number 2, we have Easymine. The combination of huge mining software is in front of you. This is equipped with the monitoring and control of almost all mining operations. On this app, you will get the information of almost all the types of cryptocurrencies, i.e. their rates, statistics, target trend, etc. And you can be able to get desired results easily if you have it. And now, on the number 1, we have Multiminer. This is such a cryptocurrency miner which enables you to mine the desired cryptocurrencies. It has features that make it capable to mine various cryptocurrencies and so many advantages. You can be able to get Bitcoin in your wallet by simply doing mining on it. It can easily mine Bitcoin and Litecoin. This information will serve as a guide for you if you're looking for online earning sources. After that information, you will surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you can be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you. And this will surely be a plus point for you over those who are totally blind to this awareness. As per our information, you have got your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share, and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will stay and connect with us.